wabarakatuh. So, welcome back, guys, into our weekend talk. So, in here we have Tariq Ramadan from 11 RPL. In here will present you a material about RPL, of course. So, without any further ado, Tariq Ramadan, the stage is yours.
Okay, thank you Fadil Zaki for the introduction. Okay, for now, hello, my name is Torik Izzuddin Ramadan, and for today, I want to tell you guys about document object model in JavaScript. So yeah, let's just get into the presentation. Okay, wait, I will present my screen first. Okay, is there's the screen here, Fadil? Do you see the screen?
Not yet, Tariq.
Yeah, you see it?
Wait. There's something. Should show something.
Edit.
Wait.
Oh, okay, do you see it now?
No, yeah. Nah.
Okay. Okay, here so this is the screen, the presentation about document object model. So what you guys know here. So let's get what is DOM. So DOM is in JavaScript is something that can manipulate HTML web. So if you see in the website, you see there is the if you know there is HTML is the structure of the website, and CSS cascading style sheet is the for the styling, and what the DOM here is to make it interactive to you, and it can make the website being dynamic, and you can interact with the website like that. So if you know here, so what you see, maybe if you learn like programming a bit, if you don't know, is okay. So what we all do in HTML is like here. So what we only know is the HTML, and there is a head, body, and the body is like the screen here. So if wait, if I show you this, so this is the screen of my VS Code that is live server. If you see here, like where's the here. So this is the structure of the website actually. So what you maybe you think that this is the body of the HTML, but no, this is a document. So what you're doing in document, so you are manipulating document with JavaScript like that. So if you look here, so document is on the top of the root of all of this. So you can access all of this if you use a document, and you can access it. So let's just start here. So you can see here, and now the function of the document object model. So what JavaScript can do here is, first, you can take an element from HTML and even CSS, and second, you can change it. You can change the element. You can edit it. For example, like the width, like the size of the element, and even the colors, and even the attributes like that. And here you can delete, and you can add an element. So let's just try here. So I will tell you guys about this on this material if the time Can yeah, let's just go here. So this is the HTML that maybe you guys already know. Like first, this is the code editor. This is my other projects. Like yeah, so first you need HTML for demonstration. So here, if I use p and hello like this, and if you go to here, so this is will make the tree in here like HTML and the element, and we only have in here only p. So yeah, let's edit it again, and we can add like CSS here. We need to make the background of here. So first we need to link it with the HTML here. Okay, so I didn't give it class. I can change all of the paragraph here. So maybe like font size here and 50 px. Okay, so what you can see here, you can edit and you can add another paragraph here with using the code editor, and you edit on the HTML and the CSS. Now, if you want to make a function, like maybe you make a button here, make a button, add paragraph, here, maybe like here. Maybe if in the future you want to make a function here to make it so the web is not static just like this, and you can add another paragraph. Maybe you will need to click here and make it like there is new uh, DOM tree in here. There is no new tree in here, so it can show in here. You cannot use an HTML or CSS every time the user click this button. So what you need to do is you need a JavaScript is playing in here. So yeah, maybe just add another styling here so to make we can change here. So yeah, maybe background color, maybe here aquamarine. Okay, like this. Okay, now just let's go to the JavaScript. So if you want to use a JavaScript in HTML, you need to use this in the bottom or even in here. But usually I use it in here, so the programming language will uh, read the document is like a flow from upside to the downside. So for example here, let's just make the script first. Yes, yeah. So if you use, like for example here, so um, like here. So for example here, if you use it, the script in top of the element, like so, the JavaScript will be run first before the element make in this website. So when you try to take the element here, so the element will not get read by the document. So you access it before the HTML was born like that. So what you need to do is you make the script in the downside. So when the element is already made, so they already make, so the document already read it, and the JavaScript is get run. The JavaScript can see what all the element that is run before the JavaScript. But I will show you after this. Okay, so first, what do you want to do? Like, okay, I will make the styling gone again. So I want to change this hello world to be like that again, like 50 px font size and background color. So what you need to do, you go to JavaScript here. So if you learn the fundamental a bit, we'll know like variable, and you can access property, but it's not a dim on this. So if you didn't learn, maybe you can learn first. So first we make a variable. So maybe variable paragraph. So what we want to do, so we store the element data. So this element from here, we take it and we store it in the variable here. So after that, we can take the data and can manipulate it in later on. But yeah, let's just show it if like this and use document. So first we access the document here. We access and dot. So dot is like accessing the attribute. And first, if you there is like four type of selecting elements. So here we have the selection, and in this material we have selection, manipulation, and adding and delete if the time is enough. But yeah, let's see. So if you want to select this, you can see there is condition. Maybe if you want to select all of the paragraphs, you can do that. If you want give this an ID, like here, maybe main, and maybe this is just for the example world. Again, if you just want to select this, you cannot use. Okay, just let's show us. Maybe first what you need to do is get element. So from here you already see there is a lot of method of how to access the element here. But if you, I will show you just not all. You can learn in later on because of the time. First, I will show you by ID. Yeah, because this is the this selecting. If you use get element by ID, the store is only one data. You can use the get element by paragraph by tag. It will select all of the paragraph you have here. But let's use here, and you use string. You use main. No, no, this. Yeah, now if you want to see if you already take it or not, you can inspect the the website here. You can search for the variable that you have here, maybe paragraph. Ah, so if you see here, we already take the element of the paragraph here, and the bottom didn't get selected. So there is a storing system. Like if you have a lot of the element, it will be array, or in here is element HTML collection. And if there is query selector, it will be not list like this, but you can learn it by yourself. Okay, let's see here. If you see like here, get element by ID is main. But if I use get element by tag name and key like this, and we search this paragraph. Now we have HTML collection. We have two here, the first one and the second one. But that's not what I want. So let's just here, let's search again for make sure. Okay, now here like this. After you get the element that you have, you can manipulate it. But I will tell you after I give you another things. Like for example, again, you have a class here. They give this one class, maybe second. Now, if like usually you can take it in CSS like second because it was a class, and you can edit here in here, and you can also do that in JavaScript like 1 second. can first access the document, and this is what's good again is the name is query selector. You can select it by like how you select an HTML in CSS. Like here, you can access the tag name, like all of the A or P is same. But if you use query selector, you will also get the element one. It's not the format is not like array like before. It will be only one. If you maybe select P in here and you search second, so so it will only select the first paragraph that you have in the HTML here. So yeah, I want to select like second here. So first I will tell you how to select it, okay? So you can see now we select the second paragraph like that. It's really easy. And yeah, why if you do that, you can make it like actually this one can do with another harder task, like maybe if you have a class inside div, you can wait, wait. Yeah, maybe if you want to have here inside of the div, and you also have a second in here, but you only want to access this, you can use query selector. Okay. Okay, now I will try to manipulate these two. So first I want to make it maybe this one big and this two is the same. So first we select the variable that we have here. I want to change the paragraph first. And first, what we need to do is access the styling attribute. Like if you want to, what do you want to change here? Maybe there's a lot of it, like the option of here can change it, but what you need to do is style, and you access the style like you do it in here. So you access the style and what style that you want to change, like maybe font size. So you can see here font size. And after that, what you need to do is assign and how many px, maybe 50 px. So you can see it's changing by JavaScript. You can also make an event, but it will be later on. If you click something and something will make it different like that. Yeah. And then we try again paragraph dot style background color. Maybe like this. I don't know what the color have, so you need to research first. Yeah, it's like so it was like from before, like but using JavaScript. Now you can also do this, like you can also change the inside of the paragraph here using inner HTML. So if you want to change it's like this, and what do you want to change? Maybe my name. So look, it's changing. Like you can do this with a script, so you can take a logic and you can add it on here. And then what I want to tell again, oh yeah, maybe I will explain about event to if can. So next, we change this here. Is also if you select the variable to you need to select it and what you want to change. You can change the attribute You can get the attribute here, set the attribute. Maybe I will do it later. Yeah, you can see here, you can also remove attribute. And yeah, okay, so next on, we already tell about the change, and maybe we'll delete and adding element. So what you need to do here, so first you can also learn if you want, you can search in Google if you want learn more about JavaScript here. So this is in Indonesia. So you can see here the relationship of the node, and even like here event handlers, what I want to tell you. And this is how to change element. So you can see like create new element div like that. So like this, how to add element, and even how to delete it in also in here. So see, this change the attribute, the content, okay, like this. So first, when you're making a new element in here, it's kind of different. You need to make it one by one. So if you make the maybe, so where's my presentation? So what you make here is you're manipulating the DOM tree in here. When you make a new element, so you need to know where is the parents and where is the child. So first, but it's kind of different. So when you make the first the tag first, and then you make the inside of the text. So we can use here. See, you can add the element, and then you add where is the element that you want to insert on an append child, new content, and you can insert before like div and current. Okay, let's just practice it. First is you have you need to make a new paragraph like the cons. New, you need to create. Uh, wait, I kind of forget. Oh yeah, the document. Need to access the document first and create element. So here, what do you want to create? VP. If you look in here now, there is no P in here because you didn't set it. Where do you want to set it and what is inside of it? So if you see in here, new P, it is, you already make the paragraph here, but there is no inside it. So we need to make a new one. Cons uh, inside P. First, you need to document again and create text. Text not is what I remember. And what you need to do is like here. So if you look here again, there is like parenting and the child. So what you need to do, so when you make a new paragraph, it will only make it in here like this, and maybe just h1, and there is no text in here. So this is inside of the h1. It make another child. This is inside the h1. So if you actually see in a website, in a lot of websites, this is like a simple. You just add a and h1 is already a lot of a node list in here, a DOM tree. But if you look at the website, the dormitory, it will be really hard to see. Like there's a lot of parent and a lot of child everywhere. But yeah, it's like so yeah. So what you need to do is make it this text dot wait, make it like new p eh, inside p grandchild. No. Yes, new p. You know, first we check it. Here also, I also checked if the document is already made new p. Okay. Now if you see here, there is a changing, right? So yeah, now the new p have the inside of it, so it's already make a new child for him. So what we need to do is easy. So you need to know where is the parent that you want to add. So if you look in here, the p is not, we're not adding here, so it's not in here. So we need to add the parent of the new p. So it's very easy. You just need to document append child new p. You look at here. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I forget its body. We need to make the body first. I forget. So you need to take the parent of the new p. So you need to body here. And yeah, and this is exception for here. You can take a body without the query selector is an exception. So you can search your body. Yeah, you can all have all of it now. And then what you need to do, CIZ, you need to take body and pen child UP. Okay, now if you see here, I already make a new JavaScript. So you already see the logic, right? If you use even listener and you can add it in here. So yeah, maybe I want to make now, but now we want to delete. Okay, so you have to delete. It's just like this. You will see here. So we make here. We access the parent and remove child 11. So you can see like here, body, you know, new p, and you access or not, you access the parent, you access the not like here. So you access the tree in here, and you want to remove the child, new p. Yes, gone now. And now I want to talk about event. So if you look here, we just editing and modify something. We take and modify it, but there is no logic in here. So what actually the powerful of them is there is something called event. So when you the thing in here, so it takes a thing from something that moved here. Like they catch an event, like if you click a mouse, or you enter this screen, or you click, or even something like that. But I will show you the click one. So let's just make here. If you want to make even listener, maybe I want to make a button here. So we make a button and show alert, maybe like this. So what I want to make it show when I click this, it will show an alert in here in the screen. So yeah, first of course what we need to do is take the button so the JavaScript know. So of course new button, we just query filter button because we only have one. And then we search in here. We can see we have the element here now. And then yeah, we just need to manipulate it now. So first we, because we already have, so you access this and you add the event. Now in event, what event that you have? So what you want to have? This is the all of the event that we have. So close, change, drop. When we do something here, I'd be like select start or we resize the windows. It's all even, but you need just click because we want to click the button. And what we're gonna do? Here have an anonymous function. So when we click, we we run this function like that. It's really easy. When you click here, you will add alert in here. And what you need to do, you want to take here, maybe you click the button. So let's see. If I click this button, there is an alert here. Even I can change what inside of here and here. So let's just protect it. Maybe what like I said before, when you click something, these things will change. So it make the website more dynamic. So yeah, maybe I want to change in here. So I change this again. Maybe change the name. Maybe I want to change it to hello world. Maybe change to hello world. It's really long. Yeah, let's get in here. So when we click the button, what we want to do, we access what is the main. The main is paragraph. So we first access paragraph here, and then we change it. So you call the inner HTML and change it to hello world. Now, if you see here, is so if you change it in JavaScript, we can change again in here. Okay. Wait, it didn't work. Okay, there's our error. Here you cannot use inner HTML. But yeah, you got already have the why is that the function? Okay, yeah, you can forget about this. Yeah, for example, we have a image here. You can maybe yes, um, image, and then have the maybe search first image. Okay, let's see first. Oh, you cannot use it. Yeah, I cannot use it. This too. Maybe this. Repick. Also cannot. Well, the alternative you need to have. Maybe this one. Okay, this is a cat. And what I have maybe this rock. Yeah, and then I make folder. Okay, so we have oh no, it's really laggy now my laptop. Okay, now we access image and version and bubble. Okay, there is the cat, yeah, strong cat. And yeah, now if we want to click here, we will change the search, the search. So of course, what you need to do, you need to get the image first. Image, document. We just go to center. Okay, okay. So I search in here, image, guy. Oh, you have the image now. Okay, what we need to do, image, make it fast. Image, and we access the search and change it this way. Let's just function again. where yeah, I can't forget to using this, but maybe I will show you the other project that have here. Okay, file, new Windows. This is the alternative. Wait, it's laggy. So you look in here. Okay, we wait. Okay, now this is a project. There's a lot of project here, but the one that changed is in here, the image gallery. Okay, okay, now let's just see the script here. So you'll see event listener, and we catch the event and the class name. We change the class, and this is the, oh, this is it. It's really laggy. Okay, but the short is the conclusion of using event. You can use it like that. Okay, maybe that's all from this seminar. I can continue to Fadil.
So, thank you for Tariq. It's such a nice material that we learned about document of model, right?
Yeah,
So that's all, guys. Thank you for listening to us. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So that's all from us. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.